Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray clashes is that the Somali Republic Army is waging war against the Tigray region of northern Ethiopia. And according to a special report by the United Nations on Human Rights, the Somali army trained in Eritrea and participated in the Tigray war and killing thousands and millions of people. The concerns of Somali parents about their children are getting worse. That they have been killed in the Ethiopia-Tigray war. Ethiopian National Defense Force and Eritrean troops have set up bases since November 2020 in the Tigray region. But many reports have stated that they have violated the rights. It is said that the Ethiopian army is using the Somali youth in the Tigray region, who had been hidden from Mogadishu. Earlier this week, the internal and external media published reports of the participation of Somali soldiers in Ethiopia-Tigray war, where some of them were killed, but the federal government denied this statement. Although it admitted that hundreds of Somali soldiers had been trained in Eritrea. As part of the report show evidence has been found in the United Nations which would have found that Somali soldiers were involved in the Tigray war and entered in Tigray region with Eritrean troops. But the report does not indicate the actual number of Somali soldiers in Tigray region. It is still being said that after getting army training from Eritrea, they have been sent to Tigray region. And Ethiopia has admitted the presence of Eritrean army in Tigray region, but denying the presence of Somali soldiers. And Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed had promised that Eritrean troops withdrawing from Tigray region, but still did not fulfill the promise. So this is the latest update about Ethiopia Tigray clashes. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.